In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore a design version in Adalo. To begin, head over to your Adalo app. As you can see on the screen, this is the current version of my app, and it contains multiple screens and a specific design layout. Adalo automatically keeps track of design changes, which allows you to go back to a previous version whenever needed. To restore a design version, locate the version history icon on the left-hand side of your screen and click on it. Once opened, you will see a list of all your saved design versions. These versions may include both manual saves and automatically saved versions. In my case, I want to restore a design version where my app had 4 screens and a grey theme applied. You should similarly identify the design version you want to restore based on its layout, theme, or the number of screens visible. Once you find the correct version, click on the 3 dots next to it. From the options that appear, select the Restore Version option. After clicking Restore, Adalo will begin processing the request. The time it takes depends on how large and complex that design version is. Simply wait for a moment, and once the app automatically reloads, you will see that the selected design version has been restored successfully. Using this method, you can easily switch back to any previous design version whenever you need to undo changes or recover an older layout. And this is how you can restore a design version in Adalo.